How to fix the UE4 client game has crashed and will close in Wuthering Wave. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. If not your Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. After that, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the application on your device. So just go to the Wuthering Waves application. So as you can see, it is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to go back, make a long press and then tap on app info. After that, you can see the new page loading. Then tap on the clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just clear cache and tap on OK. Then go to the app permission and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options for the better performance of the application on your device, such as camera, files and media, microphone and phone in this app. Then go back and try to reboot the device and your problem might be solved. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.